And the famous Jedi Yoda, it is. As you can see, it's successfully achieved object. You can see that the famous shape of the famous Jedi has been perfectly realized. You can see that the ears are nearly translucent here. You can see that it's well done, and it's well done even if, as you can see, there are some little strange red marks here, where almost everywhere. You can see here, for example, that there are little mistakes, small bugs, you see, and in fact each one of those bugs could have stopped the printer and or make the printing fail, in fact, because each time you can see this kind or this kind of thing, it means that the printer has encountered a problem. As far as I can say, let's say that sometimes the nozzle pops out not a filament but a kind of a bubble. It looks like a bubble of PLA filament, and it happens. I don't know why. I don't know why it happens. I don't know why, if it's a question of something related to filament that is stuck on the nozzle, and when it is stuck, there is some kind of a gas inside, and it has to be popped out. It has to make a kind of a bubble of material, and when it shits out, it pops out a filament. This bubble just stay on the layer, and of course it creates a kind of a solid part, and of course it scratches on the top of the layer. The extruder head encounters big difficulties to achieve a simple movement, and the printing is then in danger because of this bizarre bubble of PLA filament. I don't know why or how it happens, so I've decided to change a bit my filament. I shipped another kind of filament, colored filament, and not natural PLA filament. I found it really good looking. This translucency is interesting as it is, but maybe the quality of this filament makes that it's a good thing for small objects, and it's a bit pity that it's too bad when a big object is just fucked up because this bizarre phenomenon happens. I'm gonna see how I could simply change the filament, and maybe make tests with different variable temperatures, because I've observed that when I print something in 230 degrees, in fact the printer head is locked with 225 degrees, and maybe there is a problem with the temperature, too high or too low. I have to make some tests each time I change my filament to see what is the best temperature level for the filament. But it's a good looking object, and I will have to see how I can paint those objects, and I must be careful because I don't know how the natural filament, that is bioplastic, could react when putting some chemical paint on it, and I must make some tests. I don't want to botch this statue because it took me a lot of time to achieve.